we will go Russian style. Yeah, this is the second part of understanding the telegraph. If you haven't seen the first video,
Click on the card.
right now to watch it, and I definitely recommend you watch that video first before moving on to this one. In this video, we'll be talking about the second part, that is the receiver, which prints out a message called the telegram.
Presentation. Here we'll be talking about the receiver. As you can see, the receiver. So here you have two electromagnets, L and M. And then if you move on to the next part, you have this iron flat piece which is called B, and then this rod which is called C, and then another rod which is called D. Now you might ask me, why is this there? This, and of course this E part, which is a spring, this is there to write messages on F, that is the paper, and X is the paper that comes out with the telegram printed on it.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. You're just one click away from supporting my channel for free. Please do that, as it helps my channel grow more and I can deliver wonderful content to people like you. Okay, now go on with the video.
So this is basically the telegram. Now when the circuit is completed at the other end, hence when there are two electromagnets that become active and start acting like a magnet, iron pieces are attracted to it, and this flat piece B is attracted to the electromagnets L and M. Hence when this part moves down, this part moves up, and when this part moves up, this part also moves up. Now what is this part? This is basically a pen, and which is connected to an ink pot, which allows the pen to write. So when this part goes down and is attracted to the electromagnets, this part goes up, the D goes up, B goes down, and when D goes up, the pen goes up too. So when F comes down, the paper comes down, it starts typing dots and dashes. So when he closes the circuit for a longer time, a dash is printed because the circuit is completed for a longer period of time, and B, the iron flat piece, is attracted to the electromagnets L and M for a longer period of time, and hence the pen stays up and continues to write on the roll of paper for a longer period of time. And when you want to draw a dot, the circuit will be closed for a shorter period of time. When the circuit is closed for a shorter period of time, B is attracted to the electromagnets L and M for a shorter period of time, and henceforth the pen is writing on the paper roll for a shorter period of time, so hence it prints out a dot. So now at this end there will be a person who will decode this message, the telegram. So this is a short video about the receiver, and that's it. I'll see you in the next video, and let me give you a hint about the next video. We are going to be building something in the next video. Do you want one more hint? It's going to be what we studied in the last video. Yes, you're right. We'll be building the Morse key, and we'll be simplifying the receiver into just one part. So tune in tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great day.